Tonight, we are also learning the patient traveled on an Amtrak train from Chicago to St. Louis on March 4th. So we wanted to know what transportation hubs are doing to help keep folks healthy. 41 Action News reporter Andres Gutierrez joins us now live from Union Station with that answer. Hey, Andres.
Hey there. Well, here in Kansas City, Amtrak says that they are increasing the amount of times their trains and service areas get cleaned, and they're not the only ones. In the skies, travelers are heeding the recommendations from public health officials.
A lot more people carried hand sanitizer and wiped down the seat and, the tray in front of them.
It's something Miguel Morales also noticed on his flight back to Kansas City from San Antonio.
You could just see people who had like hand wipes and stuff and telling their kids to wash their hands, which is what you should always do. I'm sorry it took a virus to get people to wash their hands.
There are several reminders to do that around KCI. Since the coronavirus began to spread in the U.S., the airport's custodial staff have stepped up their efforts to clean and disinfect the areas around restrooms and outside security. Airlines are doing the same.
We make sure as an operation that we're taking the necessary precautions to make sure that everything's wiped down from top to bottom. We're making sure that the passengers understand that when they come on the aircraft, the front of the aircraft, although you may not be in first class, the same prestige is in the back of the aircraft.
With Kansas and Missouri logging their first confirmed case of coronavirus, the message from authorities remains not to panic.
Do what you can to protect yourself, do what you can to protect other people, be kind, be understanding about, not everyone can afford face masks or wiping their hands, but everybody can wash. So that's the number one thing you can do is wash your hands.
Now, if you are planning to travel on a Greyhound bus as of today, they have not made any cancellations on their routes, but they are suspending their fees if you do need to change your plans. Reporting live outside Union Station tonight, Andres Gutierrez, 41 Action News.
Thank you, Andres, for that useful information. Truman Medical Centers are prepared to treat coronavirus patients. Today, they released a statement saying, in part, while COVID-19 is a new health concern, TMC's infection prevention team has had practice building its response while preparing for health threats such as swine flu, Ebola, and Zika. Now, we also reached out to Advent Health. This was part of their response. Quote, we have a task force dedicated to preparing for COVID-19, and we are regularly communicating with the Johnson County Health Department, Kansas Department of Health and Environment, and the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. The